Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to delete status from WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Let's get started. For this, we need to go to WhatsApp on our devices. This method works on absolutely anything. Here we have settings, chats, contacts, calls. We press updates. At the top, we have my status. To delete it, we click on it. There's 3 dots and we click delete. Down below, we press delete one status. We can also press delete one status. Edit, select a status and click here, and delete. In this simple way. Then we press done and it will be deleted. This is how you can simply and easily delete a status from WhatsApp. This is how it is in the new update. If you helped and liked this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.